Here's how you add a blog to your GoDaddy website. The first thing that we need to do is load up GoDaddy, then click on your name in the top right and go into My Products. Here we will find Websites plus Marketing. Click on it to expand it and then find your plan where you have your website and just click on Manage. Now right here to the side we should see our website, and we just want to click on Edit Website so we get access to the website builder in GoDaddy. So depending on where you want to add your blog, you will open up the page here of your blog, and then you will add a new section by clicking on this plus icon in between wherever you want to add the blog. So click on Add Section, and here we'll just search for blog. So as you can see, we have blog and newsletter. We can add a blog displayed as a slideshow. We can add a blog displayed in 2 columns and add a blog displayed in a single column list. I will add this last option, which will begin implementing the blog on our website. You don't have any blog posts yet, so if we click on Start Writing, then here it's going to take us to this page where we can create a post, and we can input our posts here directly, and once we save them, they will be visible on our GoDaddy website, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.